Thank you for inviting me here.
I feel great to be here.
I'm feeling great. It's a very good, very, very organized event.
I feel great to be a part of such an event.
I'm very happy to be here.
So if you could create a signature smoothie named after yourself, what ingredients would it contain?
Absolutely, the smoothie has to be sweet like me. So dates has to be there. And I love bananas. People think that banana will make you fat, but definitely I'll add banana in that. And I'll add milk in that. And I also love chocolate, so I'll add chocolate powder in that.
मेरे मुंह में भी पानी आ रहा है.
Plant-based protein powder, frozen banana, and lots of nuts. That's it.
Mango would be a main ingredient in that, and oats.
Can I take some time because this has to be something really special.
So it has to be sweet. So I'll add some honey because it has to be healthy, and it has to be spicy. So some paprika, and to make it sure that it has a lot of green, so some more spinach.
Beetroot and spinach and hung curd probably, and then we can all blend it up and call it iron saloni.
Apple, peanut butter, plant-based milk, I think that's all.
What's your favorite guilty pleasure food?
Oh, this is going to be so difficult to answer.
I think it has to be momos, Delhi's favorite.
Golgappe. I would go for chole bhature, aloo puri.
Kulfi is my favorite food.
We can see kulfi over there.
So I'm a big chocolate lover.
Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate.
I love brownies.
मैं आपसे अगर टॉप 2 मेन मिथ पूछूं जो प्रेगनेंसी में डाइट को लेके है तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे?
सबसे पहला मिथ है कि आपको बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स हैं जैसे पपाया नहीं खाना चाहिए. अब कच्चे पपीते में बहुत सारा पैपिन रहता है, पके हुए में नहीं रहता. तो अगर आपने 1-2 बार खा भी लिया तो उससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं करेगा. दूसरी बात है आपने 2 लोगों के लिए खाना चाहिए नहीं, आपने सिर्फ अपने न्यूट्रिशन को ही देखना है और बच्चे को न्यूट्रिशन मिल जाएंगे.
जो कुछ भी हम खा रहे हैं, जो हमारे शरीर को ज़रूरत है, अगर हम बच्चे हैं तो ग्रो करने के लिए, अगर हम एडल्ट हैं तो मेंटेन करने के लिए, और हमारे शरीर में लगातार मेटाबॉलिज्म होता रहता है, एनर्जी वेस्ट होती रहती है, खर्च होती रहती है, तो उसको पूरा करने के लिए जो भी कुछ हम खा रहे हैं उसको न्यूट्रिशन कहते हैं.
What's your go-to healthy snack or meal that you would recommend to almost everyone?
So the healthiest snack I would say that you can carry anywhere and everywhere would be nuts.
Fox nuts, makhana.
I think fox nuts, makhanas.
Makhana is great.
It's a very healthy snack.
Just buy a rice cake. You can top it up with a peanut butter, which actually flavors like dark chocolate, and you can put any topping that you like, preferably nuts, because it will give a balance of the good fats there. So you will have a good rice, which is a carbohydrate. You will have a good protein, that is the peanut butter, and of course a topping of nuts, which gives you exact fats.
And I can also make a makhana bhel puri, adding onion, tomato, cucumber, some bell peppers. So makhana bhel puri is also an amazing snack.
अक्सर हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि लोग सही खाना नहीं खा रहे हैं क्योंकि वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, पर सच्चाई ये भी है कि परिवार जो खाने में पैसा खर्च कर रहे हैं, द चॉइसेस दे आर मेकिंग आर एक्चुअली नॉट न्यूट्रिशियस.
If you could give a piece of nutrition advice to your younger self, what would it be?
You should practice good habits at home so that your kids learn good habits.
Don't look at food as good or bad. Just look at it as food.
Reducing carbohydrates and adding more protein into my diet.
To have a control over sweets. I'm a very sweet tooth person, you know.
Stop hating food.
Myth is this that अगर आप कोई फास्ट फूड लाइक नॉट फास्ट फूड डाइट बट आप कोई अगर क्रैश डाइट करोगे तो आपका वेट लूज हो जाएगा. It doesn't happen. Weight loss is a hard work. It's a hard task.
If you want to lose weight or gain weight, you know, it's all about a balanced diet. It's not that you have to take some nutrient a very in excess or you have to limit a certain nutrient to a very greater extent. No.
So the myth was all carbs are bad, but it's a myth. Now I'm so glad that I understand it, that it's not true. Not all carbs are bad. Carbs are very, very essential. Very important macronutrients. Must, I mean, पोषण के एक बहुत ही बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट इंग्रेडिएंट है कार्ब्स.
People have, related diet with starvation, but diet is also what you eat, what I eat. It's not basically to lose weight, to starve.
आपको हमेशा भरपेट खाना ज़रूरी नहीं है. You have to leave some space empty for the digestion to happen properly.
अगर हम अपनी न्यूट्रिशन पे, अपने लाइफस्टाइल पे ध्यान देंगे, so people from all segments of society will definitely lead a happier and healthier life.
जैसा अन्न वैसा मन, जैसा मन वैसा तन.
अगर हम अच्छा पौष्टिक आहार लेते हैं, कंप्लीट फूड लेते हैं, तो हमें सप्लीमेंट्स की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है.
So in case you do not have time for gym, you can do home workout also, and you can follow a diet under some expert advice, and you can achieve the targets.
डाइट का, लाइफस्टाइल का और आपके एटीट्यूड का बहुत बड़ा रोल है. जितने आप पॉजिटिव रहते हैं, जितना आप खुश होकर खाना खाते हैं, जितना एक्टिव रहते हैं और जितने सिंपल डाइट लेते हैं, आपकी बीमारियां आपसे उतना ही दूर रहती हैं.
तो न्यूट्रिशन को आप माइनस नहीं कर सकते. प्लेट में हम लोग खाना खाते हैं, पिल्स नहीं खाते हैं.
Fitness is the simplest thing. People have just made it complicated. So if you follow simple rules, you're gonna be sorted.